Okay. Come on, get the boxes. Okay, what's inside? What is that? Tell us.
Princess.
Princess. Okay. All right. Tell us all about the Sofia the First figurine playset. Yeah. Why do you like Sofia?
What children is pretty.
Tell us who are the princesses there?
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Look at Sofia. What do you think of Sofia? You like to play with Sofia? Yeah. Do you like her dress? Yeah.
Her crown is brown.
It is.
She has a crown.
He has the crown white thing.
Oh, is she a princess? Yeah. The next one we're gonna unbox is the princess figurine playset. Okay, go ahead, baby. Alright.
Who's this?
She has very long hair, remember?
She's from Tango.
She's Rapunzel.
Girls. Round.
What's that?
She has lovely hair, huh?
Okay, the next one. Who's that?
Aurora.
Okay, the next one.
Belle.
Very good. That one.
Arrow.
There you go. Very good.
Snow White.
All right.
Tina and Cinderella.
Very good.
Ouch. Ouch. I'm sorry. Ouch.